In this tutorial, we're having a look at how you can send emails once your Weebly form has seen a submission. So that can be a form to yourself, notifying you that a respondent just submitted the form, or it could be an email to the actual respondent if they leave their email address, of course. So we have this example form here, which has already been completely made and is completely functional. If at this point you think, how do I build forms in Figma? We have basic tutorials for that. I'm going to skip that part. So we have a functioning form right here. It's already been published, so I can go ahead and copy paste this into my browser. I can, of course, give my email address right here, my company name, the amount of people in my team. So it's a simple contact form, right? You can see that. And I can indicate what I'm interested in. Press submit. I have my thank you screen. So this part I'm assuming you're familiar with. That's just standard Weebly. We have our data coming in here. But of course, it would be cool to be able to send an email to, for example, the person that submits the form. And so we're going to dive into the automation panel right here. We're going to click add automation. It's an email notification. And well, this is essentially just drawing up an email, right? But there's a couple of things that are interesting to know. So in here, you can just either type in an email address. So for example, your email address, if you want to be notified, but you can also have multiple email addresses separated by a comma, or you can use variable piping. Let's put it that way. So if you type in double curly braces, you'll be able to insert form elements into your to field, or also into the message content or the subject. So in this case, we of course only have one email form element, so we're going to choose this one. We can type in the subject, so thank you for contacting us, I guess. And then here you can have your message content. Now, of course, this can be just plain text. You can reuse the form elements with the same scheme. So if you type in double braces, double curly braces, you can choose any form element that you want. So for example, we can have the company name appear here. Or if you want to just simply showcase all of the form elements, you can use the shorthand, which is star. So you type in star and you close the curly braces, and then automatically all of the form elements that have been submitted will be entered here. So we're going to do this. We're going to type in hello and then just all of the form elements. It's a bit rude, but we're going to go with that. So I'm going to create my email notification by clicking that button here. I can see it pop it up here. Of course, I can always change it later. Hit the publish button and we're going to reload our form and see our email coming in live. So I'm going to type in my email address. I keep pressing tab. I don't know why. So that's my email address, company name. That's my personal email address, by the way. So now you can reach me personally if you have very urgent questions. So I can type in what I'm interested in. I press submit and I'm going to receive my email anytime soon. There you go. Thank you for contacting us. And I see the hello and all of the form elements that have been filled in. So email, what I wanted to learn, size of my team, the company that I filled in, and date created, which is standard Weebly added to the form elements. So I could, of course, completely customize this the way that I want, but you get the gist, right? That we leave that up to you. So that's how you build a form in Figma, publish it with Weebly, and then have emails go out as people actually fill in your forms. That's it.